On 15th July 2022, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma had launched the integrated web portal of the Meghalaya State Public Services Delivery Commission. The intention of the government in implementing the Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act is towards achieving citizen-centric governance through time-bound delivery by state government departments to the general public. While addressing the gathering, Conrad Sangma said that the web portal is a one-stop shop for services of all departments that can be easily accessed by citizens of the state. He added that the existing Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act 2020 and the new Commission's portal will enable centralization of all services that will be delivered to the public in a time-bound manner.
Now this portal is centralizing everything, connecting all of that, and there's a one-stop shop in one way. So you can go to this portal, and now this connects to all the department services. It creates an entire mechanism in which you are able to look at all the appeals that are there and all the current status of different applications that have been done. So it's just another way of centralizing the entire system. So everything is a process, and everything happens in a time-bound manner. And this is, as I said, a great step towards today now bringing and consolidating all the efforts that are being done by different departments for citizen-centric services and bringing it under this platform. And then obviously this will be connected to the departments. So it's been happening, it's improving. And after this, as I said, now we have 88 services. We will make it up to 250 services. Then we will try to get an kind of one ID where a person can enter the ID and then be able to access it, and that ID will then have the complete profiling of the individual. So it's all a process. So what in fact was not done in the last 48 years, which should have been done a long time back, in this government, we have first of all, as I said, ensured that service must be given, but must be given on time. So this act was brought in, which was a very, very important act by the government. Should have been done a long time back, but anyway, it was done in this government's time. Then after this act has been brought in, the commission was brought in to ensure that if there's any issue, the commission would intervene. Now what we're doing is that the commission has now come up with this portal where now they will ensure that all this monitoring of these different applications are being done, as well as the cases are being heard. So it's all one step at a time, adding up to making sure this entire process is much better.